Have you ever noticed that sometimes a small touch can create a stronger emotional connection than 1,000 words? Psychology suggests that physical touch is one of the most powerful ways humans communicate affection, safety, and emotional intimacy. But the touches that create the deepest impact are not always the most obvious ones. In fact, many women value touches that make them feel understood, protected, and emotionally connected, rather than simply physically attracted. In this video, we'll explore 5 types of physical touch that many women tend to appreciate and crave in healthy relationships, based on psychological principles of attachment, comfort, and emotional bonding. The first touch is a gentle touch on the back or shoulder. This may seem simple, but psychology shows that supportive touches on the shoulder or upper back often communicate reassurance and security. Imagine a woman going through a stressful day, feeling overwhelmed by work, family responsibilities, or personal challenges. When her partner gently places a hand on her shoulder or lightly rubs her back, it sends a nonverbal message. I'm here for you. This type of touch isn't about passion. It's about emotional support. It activates feelings of trust and comfort, making her feel less alone in difficult moments. The second touch is holding hands. While it may seem old-fashioned, hand-holding remains one of the strongest symbols of emotional connection. Psychologists have found that holding hands can reduce stress and increase feelings of security between partners. When a couple walks together while holding hands, they are silently expressing unity and partnership. For many women, this simple gesture creates a feeling of being chosen and valued. It tells her that her partner is proud to be with her and wants to stay connected even in public spaces. Hand-holding creates a quiet but powerful emotional bond that strengthens over time. The third touch is a warm, genuine hug. Not all hugs are equal. A quick, distracted hug often has little emotional effect, but a sincere hug that lasts several seconds can create a deep sense of closeness. Research suggests that longer hugs can stimulate the release of oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. This chemical is associated with trust, affection, and emotional attachment. For many women, a meaningful hug provides comfort, relaxation, and reassurance. It creates a feeling of safety and acceptance. Sometimes, after a difficult day, a heartfelt hug can communicate more love than any conversation ever could. It becomes a moment where words are unnecessary, because the emotional connection speaks for itself. The fourth touch is gentle hair stroking or playing with her hair. From a psychological perspective, this type of touch often triggers feelings of nurturing and tenderness. When done respectfully and naturally, gently stroking or playing with a woman's hair can create feelings of relaxation and intimacy. It communicates affection in a calm and caring way. The fifth touch is cuddling and close body contact during quiet moments. Many people think physical intimacy is only important during exciting or romantic situations, but psychology suggests that some of the strongest emotional bonds are formed during peaceful moments of physical closeness. Sitting together on a couch, leaning against each other while watching a movie, or cuddling while talking about life creates a sense of emotional security. For many women, these quiet moments of connection communicate commitment, affection, and emotional presence. They show that the relationship is not only built on attraction, but also on companionship and comfort. These moments strengthen attachment because they create feelings of safety and belonging. However, there is one important thing to remember. No physical touch is meaningful without consent and mutual comfort. Every person has different preferences, boundaries, and comfort levels. What feels comforting to one person may not feel the same to another. The most attractive quality in any relationship is paying attention to how your partner responds and respecting their feelings. Psychology consistently shows that emotional understanding and respect are the foundation of meaningful physical connection. So if you want to build a stronger emotional bond, focus less on grand romantic gestures and more on small, genuine moments of touch. If you enjoyed this psychology-based relationship insight, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these touches you think creates the strongest emotional connection. See you in the next video.